Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a tarot reading, which are going to be messages for everyone. So there are going to be 3 piles. You will have to pick from one of the cards that I'll be placing down here in front of me. आपको जिस भी कार्ड से ज़्यादा कनेक्शन लगे, whichever card you feel most drawn to, pick up that card and accordingly we'll proceed with the reading. आज दिवाली है तो बाहर कुछ ज़्यादा ही आवाज़ हो रही है पटाखों की, बट ठीक है, we will still manage from whatever we have. So first I'll be taking out card for pile number 1, pile number 2, and finally pile number 3. Actually for pile number 3 I feel drawn to 2 cards, so I'm going to be putting out this card as well. I'll give you a few moments. Concentrate on the cards. आपको जिस भी कार्ड से you feel drawn to, you know that the messages for you are there in that pile. Okay, we are back. So मैं इन फाइल्स का अभी अलग से लग रही हूँ. दिस इज पाइल नंबर 1, पाइल नंबर 2 एंड पाइल नंबर 3. पाइल 2 एंड पाइल 3 का मैं अलग से रख रही हूँ. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद पाइल नंबर 1. So let's see what's the first card for you. Okay, this is the Page of Cups. See, whatever you are trying to pursue right now, I can see you're trying to pursue something at this moment. And see, it is going to require some hard work, but the chances are positive here. The chances are positive. The energies are in your favor. Let's see. Let's ask for further clarification on this. What is this about? Let's see. Okay, could this be about a job that you've applied for? I think so. There are multiple applicants. For people who relate this pile for a love reading, for you there's a third party. As you can see from this card, there are 3 swords. There is a third party. And third party's energies are not good. I can see that. See, this connection, I feel more drawn towards a love energy right now. See, for those of you for whom it is a love reading, you will definitely get success with your partner. You will be in a healthy relation with your partner, but it is going to require a lot of effort. I see a few social challenges also. It could be that, you and your partner are probably from different religions, or if you are from India, probably different castes, or maybe different, financial backgrounds. There is some social challenge to it, but success is possible. It's definitely possible, but you'll have to continue to work. For those people जिनके लिए ये जॉब रीडिंग है या बिजनेस रीडिंग है, आई कैन सी दैट डिले हो रहा है, टाइम लग रहा है, बट देयर इज सक्सेस फॉर यू. सो you are worrying also about it a lot. Probably sleepless nights, and whenever you go to sleep, this is all that you're thinking about. I can see there's a lot of stress regarding this job or love situation, jo bhi ho, whichever is applicable for you. But yeah, see, the divine is at work here. So things, even though आपको दिख नहीं रही है, but in fact things are in your favor. Things are working out for your favor. बट यही है कि आपको ये दिख नहीं रहा है. Hmm, देखते हैं और क्या हो रहा है. See, in both these cards, this person is not able to sleep. Again, this person is not able to sleep. This cannot be a coincidence, right? It's definitely bothering you a lot. Let's see what else is there. Message. Let's see. I want to draw one from the middle of the pile also. Okay, let's take this. See, success will be yours. The success is going to be yours no matter what. But वही है कि आपको success थोड़ा दूर है, तो अभी आपको वो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. But success is there for sure. Yes, see, success is there. You see the boats here afar. See, the boats are coming to the shore, right? If there's a boat in the sea, it is going to come to the shore no matter what. But that's what you'll have to keep waiting here. आप बहुत स्ट्रेस ले रहे हैं इस चीज़ को लेके. सी, टेकिंग स्ट्रेस इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू इम्प्रूव द सिचुएशन. So I'd suggest that if whichever god you pray to, angels, archangels, जो भी हैं, you pray to them. थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, but things are going to be in your favor. This page of coins, there's 5 of coins. Success is yours. So ठीक है, let's go to this deck which will give us more elaborate answers on how to assess the situation. I feel a lot of chaotic energy. See, the cards are falling out of my hand, so that stressful energy is reflecting in this deck. I'm not done with my shuffling, but I feel very drawn to this card, so we're going to put it here. Okay. See, I'm still feeling, a lot of low vibrational energy. Low vibrational is in stress or worrying too much, sleeplessness. It's still there. But ठीक है, situations get difficult at times. You have a lot of distractions. जो भी situation से आप जा रहे हो, there are a lot of distractions, but these distractions have immensely negative impact. They will have immensely negative impact on this outcome. The decision is in your hands कि आपको क्या करना है. Yes, see, the coins came out here as well. See, the decision is always in your hand कि आप situation कैसे आगे ले जा सकते हैं. It's more like that saying goes, when you sit for an interview, you drive the interview. You think that the other person is interviewing you, but it's actually you who's driving the interview. So आपके लिए यहाँ पे भी situation बिल्कुल same है. आपको लग रहा है कि things are not in fact in your control, but it is you who's in control. And you have multiple options through which you can pick to proceed with the situation, depending on कि आप कैसे, कौन सा option, कौन सा approach आप लेते हैं. Based on that, आपका outcome निकलेगा. So it's entirely in your hand, but that's what कि आपको थोड़ा सा patience रखना पड़ेगा. Let's see, finally एक card निकालते हैं हम यहाँ से. Yes, definitely the divine is at play here, and the power rests in your hand, because you see this lady here. See, the girl here is so stressed. Again, this lady here, but she has a wand in her hand. Do you see that? And it is a magical wand. It's not just a regular wand. So there is divine intervention, because this is the Tower card, and this lady is smiling here. So it's her who has created the magic, and she's smiling here because she knows that things have been in her favor. It is what she wanted. And you look at the cap also of hers. It's a witch's cap, right? So if you look at the tip, this represents the sixth sense, that represents our intuition. So you have to be, so if you pray to God, or in whichever way you feel connected to the universe, to the divine, to your higher self, जो भी है, you have to sit and try to connect with your higher self to calm yourself down and then accordingly decide on आपको कैसे इस सिचुएशन को लेके प्रोसीड करना है. And the key is in your hands. Whatever the outcome is, it is definitely in your hands. तो even though लग रहा है कि stressful situation है, but in fact it is a very straightforward situation जो आप अपने हिसाब से manipulate कर सकते हैं. It's just that आपको अभी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, or maybe you're not trusting yourself fully. That could also be the reason. So let's see finally advice में क्या आता है. We'll shuffle it thrice. ज़्यादा नहीं करने वाला इसको shuffle, because I feel like चीज़ों को जितना straight forward रखो it's better. भगवान आपको मैसेज दे देते हैं जो भी देना होता है. It's just that हम लोग उसे नहीं लेते हैं. See, it says following the injunction of scriptures. So even though इसका literal version है कि आप जो भी scripture follow कर रहे हो, जो भी है word to word follow करो, उसके हिसाब से रहो. बट बेसिकली अगर आप इसे इस सिचुएशन में इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं तो इसका मतलब होता है कि आप डिसिप्लिन में रहिए, आप डिसिप्लिन से बाहर मत जाइए. एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी फेमस proverb कि डिसिप्लिन मेक्स अ पर्सन सक्सेसफुल, समथिंग ऑन द लाइन्स. मुझे एग्जैक्टली याद नहीं आ रहा, बट डिसिप्लिन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So for you right now in this situation, you have to have perseverance, you'll have to be patient, you'll have to realize your own strength कि the power rests in you, and आप जैसे situation को drive करेंगे वैसे ही drive होगा situation, while at the same time you'll have to remain very disciplined here. And थोड़ा time लगेगा, but the situation is definitely going to be in your favor. So देखते हैं, डोंट वरी, जैसे होगा जो भी होगा. लेट मी नो डाउन बिलो इन द कमेंट्स आपके साथ रेजोनेट किया कि नहीं किया, कितना किया. I'd love to have your feedback. And hello pile number 2, this is going to be your reading. So this is the card which had come for pile number 1. तो इस कार्ड को हम लोग नहीं लेंगे रीडिंग के लिए. I'm just going to keep this one aside. बाकी कार्ड्स पे लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. पहले तो देखते हैं कि आपका सिग्निफिकेटिव कार्ड क्या आया था. मैं उस बीच में थोड़ा सा शफलिंग कर लेती हूँ. वाओ, interesting. I'm seeing a lot of fast moving energy, but I can see a lot of challenges as well. Even though fast moving, this is an extremely contrast to pile number 1. Pile number 1 में it was slow moving energy but success, and here I'm seeing fast moving energy but lots and lots of obstacles. I mean, I know this is not good news to hear, but I can see a lot of obstacles, and let's see how we can maneuver through here. I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not getting a lot of positive outcome from the first card itself, but let's see, let's not lose hope. ठीक है, अभी के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं. We'll shuffle more as we proceed further. Okay. See, I see a lot of, I'm going to be honest, I see a lot of depressive energy here. And probably यहाँ पे positive outcome नहीं है, to be honest. There are a lot of things which are hidden from you. Like, a lot of things. I honestly don't know what this is about. If this is about your partner, maybe your partner is cheating on you. I'm sorry, but this is what I see. Even if he's not like per se cheating, but there's definitely something. There's actually a lot of things hidden. I'm sorry, and you basically have an empty cup here, so you're essentially not getting anything. आपको लग रहा है कि आपको बहुत कुछ मिलेगा, but outcome is बंजर ज़मीन है लिटरली, लाइक कुछ नहीं है. यू थिंक कि there's an oasis, मतलब डिजर्ट में जैसे होता है ना कि आपको लगता है कि कोई oasis है या कहीं पे पानी का सोर्स है, कुछ है, बट एक्चुअली वो नहीं, जो दिखता है वो होता नहीं है. इट्स लिटरली हियर. Wow, for you the message is actually really crisp and short. Whatever situation you are in, you have to come out of it. Like you have to quit the situation. Honestly, like if you have a partner, you have to leave your partner. I'm sorry. Like that is the only healthy outcome for you right now. If you are, maybe you're filed for a divorce or you're thinking about filing for a divorce, you should definitely go for it. करेंगे तो वही आपके लिए भी अच्छा होगा. इफ़ देर आर चिल्ड्रन इन्वॉल्व तो आपके बच्चों के लिए भी वही अच्छा होगा. आई कैन सी फॉर सम ऑफ यू देर आर एक्चुअली चिल्ड्रन इन्वॉल्व एंड इट इज़ अ डिवोर्स सिचुएशन. यू शुड डेफिनेटली गो अहेड विद द डिवोर्स. आई नो सुनने में अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, बट इट इज़ वॉट इट इज़. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू शुगर कोट माई रीडिंग्स. वाओ, इंटरेस्टिंग. ये कार्ड मैंने पहले ही देख लिया था. आई शोड टू यू एट द लास्ट. अभी का नहीं है, बाकी चारों कार्ड्स पहले देख लेते हैं. See, you'll have to take a firm decision here. It's going to be a difficult decision. क्या decision है मुझे नहीं पता. If it's marriage related, I already told you what the decision is. If it's love related, I told you. But otherwise, आपका जैसा भी situation होगा, apply कर लीजिए. I can see the ground is not that, strong for you, but you'll have to take a very firm decision. There's a lot of things hidden, but as long as you, leave the situation, you'll see सब कुछ positive है. See, the justice card also came out, and you see the lady here. If you take a firm stance, if you stand up for yourself, this is going to be you. You're going to be the Queen of Cups. You'll have emotional fulfillment. You'll have tremendous emotional fulfillment. But that's whatever decision you make, it has to be just and it has to be correct. आप emotions में बह के कोई decision नहीं ले सकते. You might be confused with a lot of thoughts right now, with a lot of, आपके पास तो ऑप्शन नहीं है, बट आपके जो भी पार्टनर है उनके पास डेफिनेटली ऑप्शंस है. But you'll have to end the situation. That is how you are going to grow out of it. Yeah. See, the star card came out in the end. You'll have to leave your partner. I'm sorry. It's not something I can help with. पटाखे भी उसी टाइम पे फूट रहे हैं. Should I take it as divine's message as a confirmation? Keeping jokes aside, let's go into this deck, which is going to give even more clear answers to our questions. Let's see, कौन सा वाला? Okay. Yeah, see again. Your partner does not give you emotional support at all. Your partner does not give you emotional support at all. You're very, very emotionally disturbed, lacking, trying to maintain everything on your own, which is taking a toll on your mental health. This is not something that you should be. See, the justice card came again. I can't just be making this up, right? Justice card, I'll just show you here also. See, the justice card came here also. The justice card came in this deck also. You have to take a decision which is correct for both you and children and family, whoever is involved. Again, this one came. This can't be a coincidence. there is something tremendously wrong in whichever relationship you are in or marriage you are in. And majorly, I feel you could be a man also, of course. The readings are not, gender decided pehle se, but I feel more like a woman's energy, just my, her husband is not the, she's not the type of masculine that you'd expect or want a man to be. For your sake also, for your children's sake also, like I'm saying, if there are children involved, you have to be firm and take a decision. लास्ट में आपके लिए देखेंगे एक और कार्ड, निकाल ही लेते हैं आपका कार्ड. लेट्स सी. इसको ज़्यादा शफल नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज आई फील डिवाइन विल गिव अस द मैसेज. At the right place, at the right time. Actually, for you, I feel drawn to taking out 2 cards, which is very surprising because I started also the video thinking I'll only take out 1 card. But ठीक है, let's see क्या है. See, steady. See, यहाँ पे कृष्ण और बलराम, they are not only thinking about themselves, right? Because they are responsible for every creature that's surrounding them. That is what you have to be here. You have to know that on your decision, your children's life depends, your family's rest of their life depends. You have to make this sacrifice of getting out of whatever toxicity you're in right now for the sake of the ones who are dependent on you. I know it was not a happy reading per se, but this is what you needed at the moment. So let me know if you resonated with it. Let me know how this reading made you feel. I'd be really, happy to know how things are working out for you. Hello, pile number 3. So this is your turn now. Pile 1 and pile 2 were completely contradictory energies. Like, if it's your pile, of course, you'll see this, but just for seeing how amazing tarot is, how magical this journey is, you should definitely go to pile 1 and pile 2 also. Because the contradictory energies that they have, even I am surprised by it. Anyways, so like we did for pile number 1, for pile number 2, this was the significator card. So we want to keep this one aside and we are going to be doing the reading with the rest of the cards. तो देखते हैं आपको क्या क्या मैसेजेस आए हैं स्टार्टिंग में. ओके, you're putting a lot of hard work into something which is related to money. So money is the problem here. I see. दिवाली की वजह से पटाखे फूट रहे हैं. थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्बेंस होगा बट ठीक है, दिवाली तो साल में एक ही बार आता है. सो लेट्स सी, there's a lot of difficulty financially. You're working on it, you're putting in a lot of hard work. मतलब financial difficulty ऐसा नहीं है कि आपका आपका परिवार नहीं चल रहा है, ऐसा नहीं है. बट इट्स जस्ट दैट समथिंग दैट मे बी यू लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब, मे बी आप सैलरी से खुश नहीं है, सो यू लुकिंग फॉर अ बेटर पेइंग जॉब, ऐसा कुछ होगा. एंड यू वर्किंग रियली हार्ड फॉर इट. Presently it's not working out, but आगे जाके I see a lot of positive outcome. Like really, you'll be doing really good financially. आपका तो 2 कार्ड में रीडिंग हो गया. Anyway, let's take out other cards as well. I'll shuffle it. आपके cards तो निखर के आ रहे हैं. Let's see, lots of good energies. Okay, wow. See, you're worrying right now at present. I can understand that, but आपको टेंशन करने की भी ज़रूरत ही नहीं है because from the cards what I feel is the vibration is really high. If the vibration is really high, that means आप whatever you're working for, it's working out, right? जिसके लिए vibration इतना अच्छा आ रहा है. Yeah. See, whatever आई थिंक इट इज़ फाइनेंस इज रिलेटेड ओनली. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपको शादी करनी है एंड यू नो टू सस्टेन योर वाइफ एंड ऑल, यू नीड उसके लिए यू सस्टेन योर फैमिली, यू लुकिंग फॉर अ हायर पेइंग जॉब, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. बिकॉज आई कैन सी सोसाइटल प्रेशर, मतलब सोसाइटल प्रेशर इन द सेंस, मतलब कि हाँ, मतलब फैमिली से प्रेशर आ रहा है कि यू नो फाइनेंशियली और भी बेटर करना है. मे बी यू आर ऑल्सो टेकिंग अप दिस प्रेशर ऑन योर सेल्फ आउट ऑफ अ सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. वट एवर यू आर डूइंग, this is part of your karma, but just because it's karma doesn't mean it's bad. Karma can be good or bad. The divine is on your side. अभी आपको पॉजिटिव आउटकम नहीं दिख रहा है, आप श्योर नहीं हो कैसे होने वाला है, बट सिचुएशन इज स्टेबल, टू नॉट वरी अबाउट इट एट ऑल. सिचुएशन इज गोइंग टू ट्रांसम्यूट ब्यूटिफुली. ब्यूटिफुली आपके पास बहुत पैसा होगा. या ऑफकोर्स आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आप करोड़पति बन जाएंगे रातों रात, बट यू आर गोइंग टू हैव whatever amount of money that you want and more. Yeah, definitely it's going to work out. And आप जितना टाइमलाइन सोच रहे हैं उससे जल्दी ही हो जाएगा. लाइक अगर आप बाई चांस सोच रहे हैं कि 6 महीना, तो शायद आपका 4 या 5 महीने में हो जाएगा. एंड आप इसको लेकर बहुत स्ट्रेस ले रहे हैं, जो भी है, लाइक बहुत ही स्ट्रेस ले रहे हैं. स्ट्रेस के लिए ऑनेस्टली आई डोंट सी इट इम्प्रूविंग. जैसे ही आपका फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन बेटर हो जाएगा, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छा बेटर हो जाएगा, लाइक टेक माई वर्ड फॉर इट, एंड सी फ्रॉम द कार्ड्स यू आर गोइंग टू बी डूइंग वेरी वेरी वेल फाइनेंशियली. लाइक यू कांट इवन इमेजिन कि आपका कितना अच्छा होने वाला है. तो उसके बाद ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल बी एट पीस ऑल्सो. एंड यू नो वंस द मनी स्टार्ट्स फ्लोइंग इन, सी मनी इज बेसिकली, मनी का वाइब्रेशन क्या होता है, ग्रीन कलर से होता है, राइट? ग्रीन कलर मनी का भी होता है, ग्रीन कलर हेल्थ का भी होता है. सो वंस दैट वाइब्रेशन स्टार्ट्स फ्लोइंग इन, आपके फाइनेंशियल्स के साथ साथ आपका और आपके आसपास के लोगों का हेल्थ भी अच्छा होने लगेगा. मे बी ऐसा हो सकता है कि राइट नाउ आप कुछ ट्रीटमेंट अफोर्ड नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, जो कि उस टाइम पे आपके पास पैसा ज़्यादा होगा तो आप अफोर्ड कर पाएंगे, वट एवर रीजन्स इट माइट बी. बट आपका पैसा और आपका हेल्थ दोनों एक साथ इम्प्रूव करेगा. ऑनेस्टली इस डेक का मुझे भी ज़रूरत भी नहीं लग रहा है यहाँ पे, बिकॉज योर रीडिंग इज क्वाइट गुड एंड इट्स क्वाइट पॉजिटिव. बट ठीक है, एक दो कार्ड निकाल लेते हैं. सबके लिए निकाला है तो आपके लिए भी निकाल लेंगे. ओके ओके, लेट्स सी. या dude, I can't be making this up, right? See, he's literally sitting on a chest of drawers and he's wearing all green. He's just all green and he's sitting on a chest of drawers like he's got a treasure. आपको ट्रेजर कम नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं कि आपको ट्रेजर मिलेगा ऐसे, बट यू विल बी गेटिंग, अगर आपको जॉब ढूंढ रहे हैं तो you'll be getting a really good package. अगर आप बिजनेस कर रहे हैं तो बिजनेस में you're spending. अभी के लिए सिचुएशन स्टक है, और आपको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है विजिबिलिटी कि आपके पास आपका फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन कितना इम्प्रूव करने वाला है. बट टेक इट फ्रॉम मी, it is going to be a game changer. Your financial situation is going to change completely and it's going to be really, really good. Like really good. You have no reason to worry. In fact, you know what? कभी-कभी क्या होता है? If you worry and all, it creates blockages for us. We do it unknowingly, of course. हमें पता नहीं रहता. लेकिन if you worry ना, तो अगर कोई चीज़ आपके पास कल आने वाली है तो आपके पास 1 हफ्ते बाद आएगी. Just because universe responds to how you do it. You give something out, you get it back in return. तो आई नो इट्स डिफ़िकल्ट आपके लिए अभी स्ट्रेस ना लेना, बट नहीं ले लेंगे तो आपका ही आउटकम थोड़ा जल्दी आएगा. मतलब आउटकम आपके पास आने ही वाला है नो मैटर व्हाट, बट थोड़ा जल्दी होगा. लेट्स सी आपके लिए एडवाइस क्या है. ऑनेस्टली आई डोंट थिंक इस डेक में आपके लिए आज कुछ एडवाइस है. आई शुड सी अगर कुछ होता है तो. See, I told you इसमें आपके लिए कोई मैसेज नहीं है, because the cards are also like not shuffling. You saw it. मेरा हाथ अटक रहा है. This is not. It's not. I'm sorry. Guys, इस deck में आपके लिए आज कोई मैसेज नहीं है. Well, your reading is extremely positive, so there's that. इस deck में तो आपके लिए कोई मैसेज नहीं है. So that's it for today. I'll see you in my other videos. मेक श्योर टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, एंड डेफिनेटली मुझे कमेंट में लिख के बताइएगा कि आपको आपका रीडिंग कैसा लगा. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.